Are you getting ready to have your house on the market? Well, it's a great time to have your house on the market, and we are still very much in a seller's market. However, you still need to do the things to get your house ready, to have it look its best, and to get the most buyers through your house and get that amazing offer you're looking for. So stick around for a few tips. Are you thinking about having your house on the market soon? Well, it's a great time to be on the market, and it's still very important for you to do the work to have your house looking great when it goes on the market. We're seeing a widening gap between people who are not taking the time to have their house looking its best and doing all the things to be ready versus people who have the polished houses that go on the market and sell almost instantaneously. So do the extra work and get the most buyers through your house and get that great offer that you want on your house. So here's 3 things you can do to make sure that your house is ready to go and looking its best when it goes on the market. So number 1 is do all the minor repairs that might be needed up front. And we're not talking about major renovations. We're talking about minor repairs, things like chipped paint, touching up paint, maybe caulk in the kitchen and bathrooms, and say maybe the deck needs to be stained and sealed, things like that. Not major things, but just the things that make the house look better when a buyer comes through. Otherwise, when the buyer sees those little things, they may show up as red flags to that buyer, and they may think, what other maintenance items haven't been taken care of? So take a little bit of time and get those little things done before your house goes on the market. Number 2 is staging. Hopefully you've talked to your agent about staging and what you can do. However, a couple of things are: 1, depersonalize as much as possible. So personal photos, put them away. If they're ones that are very important to you, keep them in the bedroom and more private areas like that. But try and depersonalize the main area of your home as much as possible. And also, I say this all the time as a general rule, if you're gonna give it away, if you're gonna sell it, or if you're gonna donate it, if for whatever reason it's not gonna make it with you to the next house or the next property, go ahead and get rid of it now. It's gonna make your house feel less cluttered, and it's gonna make your house feel more spacious to buyers when they come through your house. So get rid of all that extra stuff now. And number 3 is pets and children. When buyers are coming to the house, we really don't want to see things like dog and cat food and water bowls, food bins, toys, things like that. Plan that there may be last minute showings and have those things kind of cleaned up as you go throughout your day and not have to scramble at the last minute to put them away. And the same applies for children. Children's toys, things like that. And having a plan with when there is a last minute showing, where are you going with your child? What are you doing with your dog? What are you doing with your cat? It's a really bad idea to just leave pets in the house when there's a showing. And of course, if there's a showing and you have children, you need a plan for where you're going to go during that showing with your children. So those are 3 tips that hopefully will help you get your house ready for going on the market. If you have any questions about any of this, or if you're thinking about putting your house on the market sometime soon, shoot me an email or a text. And in the meantime, thanks for tuning in and stay in touch.